Hello and welcome to Woodwork for Inventor tutorial for beginners. There is a few things you need to consider before start to use Woodwork for Inventor software. First, let's find out what additional software you need to have installed on your computer. Woodwork for Inventor works together with 3 latest versions of Autodesk Inventor. Different Autodesk Inventor versions needs different Woodwork for Inventor installations. Make sure you have downloaded the right one. In order to work with Autodesk Inventor spreadsheet-driven components, Microsoft Office must be installed and activated on your computer. Autodesk Inventor does not support Office 360, Apache OpenOffice, LibreOffice or another Office suites. To avoid possible problems, we recommend you to run Woodwork for Inventor installation with administrator rights. When Woodwork for Inventor installation has been finished, you need to set Autodesk Inventor project to the Woodwork for Inventor working project that comes with the installation. If you will skip this step, then Material Library and Component Library will be inaccessible. After installing Autodesk Inventor, you need to make sure that you are using appropriate measure units. In order to do this, open Template Setup and choose the right units for you. We recommend you to watch all the lessons in the order they are presented, because courses progressively build your skills. If you have questions that go beyond the scope of this course, please visit our forum or contact our partners. We will be happy to help you to start using our software. Now, when you have watched the introduction, you're ready to start learning. Good luck!